What's going on? What's happening, everybody? Let me just do some couple things. How y'all doing today? Let's get some day trading going on here. Thanks for jumping in. We had some technical stuff yesterday, but we should be good today. All right, y'all know I'm learning a brand new system, right? Brand new day trading methodology, brand new style, brand new charts, everything. Prop firm. I was just introduced to that, so we're going to be learning this together, right? So if you're brand new to day trading, you want to start day trading, hey, now's the perfect time. I've been day trading the S&P 500 for 5 years, so I mastered that already. Now I'm going into the Nasdaq, and I'm using a brand new, different system. So we're doing this together, right? I'm trying to learn this prop firm stuff. Right now I'm working with Apex. So we'll see. I'm just practicing, right? I mean, we're trading these evaluation accounts, but we'll see if we take a beating, right? Right now I'm just trying to learn. My goal is to pass 20 PAs this year. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Kind of just looking at the market. We're coming into DB2 right now. Cross to the 95. MACD's heading up. Stochastics is down. We'll see what happens today. All right. So we can hold a support level. All right. Kind of just take a look at the bigger picture right now. All right. Got our swing high up here at resistance 2. All right. We'll see where we go. Again, we're learning a brand new software. So we'll see what happens. We're going to be trading. I decided to. Hey, what's up, Jeff?
Hey, morning, Jeff.
How you doing, bud?
Well, got no audio here. Hang on.
All right. Testing.
I'm going to log out, log back in.
All right, brother. You got it. What's going on, John?
Good morning, Jeff. How are you?
Hey, we're ready for another day, my friend. Ready for another day. Today
I think I'm going to pick a new trading song. You got to know when to hold them, know when to fold them.
Yeah. Exactly. And you know what? I'm trading the $150,000 account today, and I'm doing the mini. I'm doing one mini. No, I'm not doing micros today. So I'm either going to do good or I'm going to go down in flames. Hey, but we got to get better every day, right? The whole goal is to get 1/10 of 1% better every day. So
absolutely,
we'll see what happens. But
I have a question for you.
Hey, I'll try my best to answer it, brother.
Well, I got your the charts you sent on my computer, but I'm not getting all of it. Some of it says it won't load. There's a problem. Did you load any, Jeff G?
No, I didn't get it. I don't think I got anything. I've been a little behind here this morning checking to see what got sent.
Well, I was going to send it to you. Just post your Sierra Charts username in our private in this chat, and I'll send it to you.
Okay. And then you'll get a message from Sierra Charts to allow them to load. So I have the Urenco charts, but I don't have the Sprinkler Wilder is not showing up. That didn't load. Some of the other stuff hasn't loaded. So
really,
you got your Dasher Boom on though. I didn't know if I'm going to need to get a hold of Liz or do something.
Yeah, probably, because you know me, I don't know anything when it comes to this.
Well, the setup and trying to learn this crazy platform.
Yeah, I know. I mean, to me, number one, trading the Nasdaq, fine. I get it. It's a different animal. But to me, the hardest thing right now is just learning the platform. Learning the platform.
Did you see that freaking $300 run this morning?
No, I haven't even really looked at. I take kids to school in the morning. I was shooting some videos. I did an XRP video. It's a good
on the left, your left chart. That's after that news announcement.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
CPI.
Oh, yeah, dude. What a massive
$300 up move.
God.
Yeah. For a 1/10 improvement in the CPI, that's crazy.
That is crazy, bro. I mean, I'll take it. I'll take it. Hey, one of the things today in our mastermind group, when we jump on before going in there, I think what we should try to do is talk about this left chart and see if we can make a little bit of sense of it based on yesterday's meeting.
Yeah, I missed out on your after party chat there with Rebecca. So yeah.
Yeah, we need to do that because that's important. Obviously. So I'm not gonna, I'm not gonna pretend that I understood everything she was talking about yesterday, but little 1/10 of 1% better every day. That's the goal. We're early in 2025. So we got this year.
It sounds like on her opening buy that she's taken a wider stop. In other words, she's just letting the candle, just like she said, let it dance around a little bit.
Yeah, that's a mystery, man.
Taking the risk that it's going up.
Yeah, let me tell you something. That to me is that's the biggest mystery right now. It's where they're getting in, where is their stop, how's their management. I mean, it's a big mystery for me.
Yeah. Hey, this 5100 thing that she was talking about, I still haven't quite figured out how the buy and stops and everything work on this program. So I guess when you get into a trade, how far down below your buy point are you setting your stop?
That's a mystery, brother. That's what we're trying to figure out.
Copy that.
Today, I'm going to experiment with 50 ticks both ways.
So 50 up, 50 for profit, 50 to get out.
That's what I'm going to experiment today. I already told John that I'm trading a $150,000 account today, so it's bigger. I'm not going to do the micros. I'm going to do the minis, which means I'm either going down in flames or I'm going to do good. But you know what? I don't care. Right now, my main focus is to just learn the system and the software. And if that requires me to take some beatings, so be it. So I am going to go up here to study. It's one thing I don't like is I'm going to go to this 55 real quick, and I'm going to go to settings. It's a little too thick for me. I don't want that 7. So I'm going to try 3. It's a little too thick for me. Oh, shit. I hit OK, and look at that fucking wheel again. Oh, my God, dude. I didn't realize every time I make a change, I'm going to have to go through some fucking 30-minute hourglass wheel crap. Jeez, man. It's the only thing well, not the only thing, but that's definitely one of the things I hate about this is when you make a change, it takes a long time. I don't know if it's because there's just so much data, and I didn't realize right now. I would have never changed that line if I would have realized that it wasn't just going to change it. So here we go. We're going to give it a couple minutes again. So kind of just open discussion right now. I wasn't going to trade right this second anyway. I wanted to wait a little bit. But that 55 was a little too thick. So I wanted to change it. And now I got that damn hourglass. God damn it.
Yeah, dude, you must, you got something going on there. Have you reached out to Sierra yet? Or?
I don't even know how to get a hold of Sierra. Is yours changing? But you probably haven't even done it.
Well, I've got some basic charts that Liz set me up with, but they're not the full meal deal. I mean, it's nothing I can trade off of, but we've been going around making changes, doing this and that, and I haven't had any issues. And I've got a, you know, my system is pretty maxed out as it is, and it's just coming along just fine.
I mean, I got a lot of stuff open right now. I mean, I've got freaking Thinkorswim. I got all sorts of shit. So I mean, I don't know if all that helps. I'm sure it doesn't help. And again, I didn't realize, I would have never made that change if I was going to realize that it was going to do that. I mean, I got the other issue taken care of. I switched over my Apex account early in the morning. So, I mean, I guess it's just going through the learning curve. I wasn't going to trade right now anyway. But, you know, you got the S&P 500 up 80 points. Dow Jones up over 600. Nasdaq 334. That's good. What's not good is this little wheel. So, John, when you make changes, let me know how it works on yours. But all I did was I went to change the thickness, and all of a sudden, it's son of a bitch is processing, man. What the hell's going on, dude? There's something wrong. My system is super fast. I mean, my internet is Wi-Fi, but it's fast Wi-Fi. And I got the fastest, it's stupid Spectrum or Time Warner, whatever the hell we have, has to offer.
Well, and I was telling Jeff yesterday that he was talking about a lag time of 5 or less. And I have fiber optics out here, but their normal lag time is 10. So
their normal lag time is 10?
Their fiber optic, they said our average lag time on their business and their individual accounts there is 10 milliseconds.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Which is still pretty fast. It's
right.
There's nothing wrong with 10 millisecond latency. The network guy, if I get a chance to talk to him, I'm going to go off into a private room with him and have a little chat, because he was misspeaking on a couple things. I mean, you know, I've been doing this crap for over 30 years, and the thing of it is about latency, it's a subjective thing. It depends, you know. When you are sitting here at your home computer and then you're making a request out to Sierra Charts to go do something, or you're making a trade, you know, it is going through just a slew of different routers on the way, different data centers and routers on the way to its final destination.
Right.
So each one of those hops has a latency period. And so I've been looking at this fast.com, and they're showing me I got half the speed what I'm showing on speed test through Comcast, just hitting some of the local servers. And so, again, it's a subjective thing. And so I don't put too much into it, but then I've seen some of these people posting, like, you know, they got 180 kilobit, you know, internet speeds. Well, that's just, you can't do nothing with that. But if you're 100, you know, 1,500 plus megabits, I mean, you're fine. And the latency, you know, within 20 milliseconds is totally acceptable, in my opinion.
All right, y'all. We got some beautiful diamonds that happened here. And I'm not going to say I wasn't paying attention. I'm just trying to wait, look at the software, but absolutely beautiful lower highs. You know, so again, I'm going to be trading. Hey, one thing too, when y'all get Sierra Charts, this little section right here, the other day I can't move it past that. I don't know how to change the setting. So like if I do that, watch, let me do this. It disappears now. I can't, I mean, I want to move. You'll see when you get it. Like, I don't want this much room over to the right. I don't know how to move it.
I saw that on mine yesterday too. I was playing with it a little bit. I was like, yeah, if I scroll that thing over, there's like a dead space.
Yeah, right there, right? It goes behind it.
Yeah, what's that dead space?
I need to get rid of it. Oh, I'm trying to get rid of this so I can move this chart over. I don't know how to do it.
Well, maybe Rebecca can.
But you know what I'm talking about, right?
Yep.
I mean,
I saw that yesterday. I'm like, that's not acceptable.
There's a dead space right here. I need to just move it. Yep. I'm sure there's a way, obviously. I just don't know how to do it.
Right, and there's a setting on the toss charts too.
Yeah, exactly.
Space on the right, and you can put however many bars you want.
Exactly.
Yeah, this program is so menu intensive. I mean, I literally am going to need to dedicate, you know, a day, and I'll probably do that this weekend. Just sit down on Saturday and I'm going to go through every single bit of it. Yeah.
You're going to do a training after you get done with that?
I'm gonna
Exactly.
Anything that I can help clean up these charts with, I'll help you guys out.
Exactly. All right, we're cruising. So I mean, I'm a little bit gun shy. Damn it! I wanted to take some of these trades. I'm seeing it coming. I'm just a little bit gun shy, so I got to get over that, man. Again, we're trading to 150, but man, I was seeing these trades. If I was trading the $50,000 micro account, I would have taken it. So we really got to get again. We got to get better every day, and today we got to get better than we were yesterday. But man, I wanted to take this. But again, since I'm using these damn minis, I got gun shy. Shit, I shouldn't get gun shy. So, oh well. We got a lot to talk today, man. But whenever we meet in our group, I really want to talk about this chart over here. See what y'all thought about yesterday. And
well, and you're at 10 on the sprinkler on
Yeah.
the right.
yeah,
And on the left, she said it'll run if it gets above 95 and stays there. It was turning back down. Now it's kind of on the other chart, fast MACD.
the top one.
Yeah, up at the top, it had started coming down. So it was going up, but it was coming down, and now it looks like it's flattening. But she had said that when it is trending, you'll get that one off to the left where it's above the 95 line and just stayed there on the fast MACD.
Yeah.
And you got the green up arrow, so if it gets up, it could run for a while, but wow, we're still pretty close to the high of the day.
Yeah, we are.
Well, I'm just over here looking at TOS really quick. I was going to take a run at the ES here. It breaks out of the range. The ADD is like 2,300. I've never seen it before.
Damn. Hey, what's up, Jason? Hey, Jason's a good technical person. So, and you got the charts. So, Jason, we got all this dead space over here. So if I take my screen and I move it, I want to get rid of this dead space. Do you know how to do that? Like if you take this cursor and move it, I don't want that much space. I hate the fact that when I move it, yeah. How do we get rid of it? I mean, obviously there's a way, because on my other chart, it could literally go over here. And then I just like moving it to the left I want to get rid of this black. That's basically what I want to do, is get rid of that black.
Yeah. The text is on top. The HH stays on top, but the rest of the graphic is behind it. It's almost like sometimes, when you're doing a drawing or something in Windows, you can right click on it and do a bring forward.
Yeah.
It puts it on the top of the layer. But I haven't been into this program enough to see where any of that is.
I've been in it and I still don't know. But I mean, actually it's new because I just loaded this one up yesterday. I mean, damn. Look at these pullbacks into 55, bro.
It disappears behind there, so you got to keep scrolling over it.
Yes. Well, no, I mean, it's in real time, but if you mess with it, you do. So I just need to get rid of this space right here. I know there's a way to do it. We just got to figure out how to do it.
The black hole.
Exactly. The black hole.
I'm telling you, hey, don't make an entry when it goes in the black hole.
Yeah, exactly. Get rid of the black hole. Look, back with my micros, I would have taken that, but I'm so damn gun shy. I shouldn't be, but we're moving up on a MACD. We bounced off DB2, approaching that swing high over here, the red one. Gosh. See, this is where we've got to really capitalize. This move right here was, I mean, come on, dude. This move, see, look, it disappears. I can't fucking see it. That move right there is just so big. Again, yesterday I was kind of really frustrated towards the end, but you know what? It's just, I'm going to tell myself, improve 0.1% every day. That's the mission. That's the mission. Get better every day. Because I'm solid on the patterns, man. Solid on the patterns. That's not the issue for me. The issue for me is the damn stop loss target and management with this system. And That's the freaking thing. So I'm hoping today I can get some good clarity on that. And again, as y'all, we got the same charts. As you recognize stuff and notice stuff, it's about sharing with the group. That's the whole purpose. We're all in here for the first time trading this crap, trying to do it. That's the power. So we bounced off DB2. We got a yellow swing high, and it's yellow because it's below this high. If it breaks above that, I'm assuming it's going to turn red. I've taken no trade. I would have probably taken a lot of trades had I had the micros, but because again, nobody's been able to really work with us on entries. Nobody. So we're gonna have to figure it out ourselves, it seems like. And I think too, once we got to really focus a lot on this. She was talking about that. Look at that pullback. See, that's just a monster. And I know y'all probably are like me. I'm thinking about this shit all night long, man, and all morning long. All morning I'm thinking about this shit. All night I'm thinking about this shit. So, like, okay, what is the best thing? These are the moves right here that you can just crush it. But obviously, all right, so I'm ready to go now. I'm looking to trade. My goal was to kind of just wait about 15 minutes, get set up. We bounced off DB2. We are, looks to me like we're going to pop that swing high. We're cruising up. I want to be up right now. I'm looking for a diamond. I'm not chasing it way up here. No way. So let me ask you, John, Jason, do y'all have y'all set up Apex? Are y'all trading live today?
I still don't have the charts on my computer, functioning charts. So no, until she gives us the chart books and gets us set up.
Well, I gave you the chart book.
It's not working. Some of them aren't loadable. So I don't know if they have to activate the machine.
Really?
I know there was a message this morning. I think that was for NinjaTrader, but a machine ID. I don't know what Liz has to do, because there has to be a way where they can turn them on and off if you don't end up buying them. But she said you get them free for 3 months, but once they're loaded, they have to be able to.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they got to have control over that. It's so proprietary.
Right.
And remember, John, she said during the class, because I asked a question about when would we be able to get the chart books, and she had asked Liz to reach out to some other person about some form or something that we had to fill out.
I think it was an NDA form, and
It might
I
have
don't know
been
the one she posted, but I haven't heard yet.
Yeah, I'm going to message her real quick and ask her if that NDA that I signed yesterday, is that the one that now enables us to get the charts.
Okay, if you're able to do that, just keep me posted if you would.
I'm going to do that right now.
We got 700 million auto traders. Hey, so there we go.
Make $700 million. Now,
Yeah.
right?
That's all you got to do, man. Make $1 on each one of them.
That's
You're
it.
ready to retire.
I'm going to try this auto trader in a minute. I'm either going to go down in flames or it's going to work. So we did. Okay, so I was correct. It turned to a red swing high. So that's good. That means it broke through that high of the day. So this is the high of the day. And we'll go here really quick. We got so much shit over here. It's crazy. Trying to figure out what all that stuff is. Yeah. Again, I don't know. I guess that red line is the high of the, yeah, that's the high of the day. So we are at the high of the day for sure. So I'm going to go down in flames here in a minute. So just get ready, because as soon as we start to pull back, I'm going to have to turn the auto trader on, because that's what they said to do. Look, man, here's the deal. I've got the patterns now. In my brain, I know exactly what I'm looking for. That's good. The only thing I need now, I'm struggling with how they're doing their management. That's where I'm struggling with. Their stop loss. I got the target. Okay, I get it. I'm going for 50 ticks. I got that. The target is what's getting me. And I'm afraid to turn this auto trader on. I want to do it manually. But, you know, she was saying it yesterday if you to turn the auto trader on. Okay, see, God, this is where I want to turn it on. So here we go. I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to get killed. All I want to do, yeah, one. I'm going to get killed. There we go. Auto trader on. This is where I don't want to do the auto trader because I don't believe in it yet. But we'll see.
So your stops are 50-50 on that one, Jeff?
Yeah, but you know what? Because I don't know what the hell I'm doing here. I might just
I was just asking, just
yeah,
visually,
yeah.
I'm trying to calibrate myself here.
Yep. And again, I didn't want to do it, but I'm just I really don't want to do that damn auto trader. I'm going out. $170. Holy crap. So I just cleared 170. Makes me feel a little better. I watched it. You know, basically, I just took it up to here. It was a quick scalp with this candle.
And
That's a finale star, though, isn't it?
Oh,
gold
shit.
star?
Yeah, it is.
So does that mean it was a high?
It's the high of the
swing
day.
High exit, EX. So does that mean we're looking at rolling over?
Well, she said this finale star can also disappear.
Well, it did. It popped on and off, but then it came back on. I don't know. Anyway, the sprinkler is heading down at this point.
Yeah.
So unless you get another diamond.
Yeah, no, I agree with you. I didn't even see that. But I just did a scalp. I literally got in on that auto and I got out. So it was like, that's all I played right there. Because this is what this is what I was fearing. And this is one of the things that we really got to focus on. Look at it. I got out perfectly. Holy crap. Thank God I got out. I just scalped the bar. Okay. But you're right. So now, again, I'm going to stick to my plan. Okay. I'm going to stick to what my plan was today on my setup. So right now we got a flat 55. We're at the swing high. So, and again, I like the discussions. This is how we do it. I just scalped the bar. And again, I didn't feel comfortable with it. I did it. It worked, but I didn't feel comfortable because nobody's been able to say, look, this is the exact plan. So look, now we're going back up. So that finale star, you probably would have got just slapped around and called Sally Joe. Somebody needs to get rid of this black hole. I'm going to call it the black hole, Jeff. That is the black hole. We need to get rid of the black hole.
I've got it on mine. It's like it's kind of like the hard right edge for that chart.
It is. I don't mind the hard right edge, but I don't want it that big. I don't mind it there. There's got to be a way to move this over.
Yeah, I hear you.
Okay, so
let me do some poking around in mine since it's not live yet.
Okay. See, I would have gone short. If I would have turned the auto trader on, I would have got another trade right there and made it. If I would have turned the auto trader on, I would have made it. I was thinking about turning it on too, but I didn't. Because again, I ain't got to keep explaining, but I say it out loud because, right? But that's what I wanted to do. And right now we got twins. So I'm going to be looking for a pullback. I'm going to be looking for a pullback. See, but this is yesterday. Remember, I took it down here, and I took the pullback, and that's when it reversed. So that's damn. See, that's and I can't move it to the right because the black hole. All right. Yeah, and I didn't even see that finale star, but again, I just traded the bar. So I'm going to do it again here in a minute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the auto trader. I don't want to, but I'm going to turn that damn auto trader on again short. So I turn the auto trader on short. Now I'm not comfortable doing this, but I'm going to leave it on. I'm going to leave it on. I'm not comfortable doing it. Actually, no, we're above this 55. I don't want to do it. Were we above the 55 a minute ago? Right at it. Okay. So let me see here really quick. Let me think. It's just moving pretty fast. I want to be able to see it all, unfortunately. So let me just back off for a minute. Okay. So we got a lower high still. Okay. So we got this lower high, but God, these damn auto traders. Let me just get rid of them for a second. Hide them. Okay. But I'm going to be focusing a lot today on this MACD down here. Okay. Lot. We are coming off a lower low, but we broke through that. So again, I'm going to be very strategic today. I've been planning this stuff out. Now I just got to execute my game plan. We're at the high again. Everything is still going up. We do have this little we have we have this red over here, but our stochastics and MACD are moving up. But I'm telling you right now, and you can see my screen, right? Yeah, you can see it. So today, focus on this MACD.
Hey, Jeff, I got it figured out, bud.
You do?
Yeah. Right click in your chart.
Okay.
As long as you're not in a trade.
Yeah.
Right click in your chart. Let's see here. Chart settings. Okay, then click on, let's see here. Display.
Oh shit! Where is it at? Where's it fucking at? Yeah.
Yeah, it's right there in the middle. So
okay.
Yeah. Okay, and then see if you go down to the middle there where it says lock fill space.
Oh no!
Change that to no.
Yes. Now you know when I change it, it's going to take a couple minutes.
But and what it does is it shows those bars completely to the right hand edge. And what you see is you see the price scrolling down or up as those bars change.
Okay.
So, I mean, it goes right to the hard right edge.
Beautiful. As you can see, mine's a little bit slow. Did yours do it right away?
Yep.
Damn, what's going on with mine? Maybe it's because I have TOS and 50 million things open. WebEx is open. Everything's open.
Yeah, I mean, and I've got a computer that's less capable than yours.
Mine's power. I think it's because I've got the WebEx opened up. I've got so much stuff opened up. I think it's taking longer.
That's why I'm saying it could be a graphics issue.
No, I mean, he put a brand new one, man. I've got like a video graphics card for like a gamer, man.
Yeah, I mean, you should have enough there to do all this. I don't know.
Yeah, I
put in some, try to figure out how to get a hold of Sierra and figure this one out. But it looks like a resource problem to me. If something's hosing you up there with resources.
Okay. So I'll go back to Tulsa for a minute, but that's good because I need to do that. Because that's good. That thing was driving me crazy. All right, so again, man, look at that. Market's up 99, 713. Come on, baby. Come on. This was my pattern I was waiting for. Come on. All right. Boy, be patient. It's lagging bad there too. Like your charts are lagging, or there we go. The wheel. Yeah, that fucking wheel. All right. It's okay. We're back in the game. We got to figure out what these candles are. Actually, these candles are breakouts. Okay, these candles are breakouts. But again, I can't do a breakout if I don't know where they put their stop. Okay, so this happens quite a bit. Yeah, it is. I'm not going to lie. It's I love the colors and all this, but that part is driving me crazy. Another thing that's driving me crazy is I want to go long right here. But you know what? I'm going to do it. I'm going to put a buy limit order right there. Again, every time I do this, the son of a bitch reverses. Every time I do it, it fucking reverses. How do we catch that damn move, man? Yesterday, see, I'm just not comfortable up here. I'm not going to do it. Yesterday, I was taking a pullback like this one, but every time I was taking it, it reversed. Y'all know it reversed 3 times in a row. How come this time it keeps going up? That's a mystery to me. So we bounced off R2. I mean, again, I want to be long. There ain't no doubt in my mind I want to be long. But that's what we got to figure out, man. Figure out. Figure out why that happened yesterday. Because y'all know, right here, I was taking that pullback, and every single time it reversed. Every single time. You know what? I'm going to do it again. Fuck it. I'm going to do it. I know we're way up here, but damn it. How many times yesterday did it just keep going up? Oh, yeah, baby. It works now, Jeff. Yeah, I like that a lot better. I mean, eventually it's going to roll over, right? It's too high. I'm not comfortable. I mean, I'm up 170. I'm not going to get, even though I should, but again, y'all got ideas. I'm down for it. But that was a beautiful move. I just realized I could know. It takes, as it pulls back and it trades up through, I think it's the one of these lines, you'll see it, it automatically takes the trade. I'm going to put it on. I'm going to put the auto trader on. Okay. So you right click, boom. I'm going to put it on unless there's a finale.
Oh, XRP.
You like it, right?
Woohoo.
I love it. I love it. Matter of time before we break to a high, man. We break to a high, then it's some serious game time. So one of the things is I'm not going to take this pullback. I'm just not comfortable. But watch, Jason, if you got your auto trader, I'm going to go for it again. Now, the only thing I don't know is should you just turn it on or this is where we got to figure it out. But everything looks good. We're bouncing off R2. So, I mean, I want to be long. And get ready, because here in and not short, make sure it's on long. I mean, how the hell can you trade that nasty pullback? With these minis, there ain't no way. that pullback will destroy you. There's got to be a secret. You know what? There's got to be something that we're missing. There's got to be something in that pullback that we're missing. Y'all, again, that's what we got to focus on too, right? Our entries, exit, and management. I'm solid with the signals now. Okay, finale. So I'm not going to turn my auto trader on. We actually have an auto trader finale, but I sure as hell ain't going to turn it on because I don't even know what it'll do. Right? This is right there, the finale, but I can't turn it on. I don't even know what it'll do. But that's the finale right there. But I wouldn't turn it on, obviously. So here's what I'm doing now. Is with that, we got the higher high. I'm not going to take, see, now I don't want to take this higher low. Right? And again, we're way up here at the high today. So if we would have turned the auto trader on, Jason, it would have triggered right here. And guess what? That son of a bitch went up there again. That son of a bitch went up there again. That would have been another $200. That's okay. Until somebody gives me some damn rules. But I am actually finale star or not. I'm looking to go long, period. I'm not going to just jump in, but I am looking to go long on this. I don't care about this finale star. See that? It would have lost a minute ago. This auto trader would have won. It would have won. We got to be looking at the same stuff. Okay. So, damn, this is where it could roll over, right? See, I want to go long right here. All right. So let's keep going. We're just watching. We do have a lower. Ooh. Look at that. That was nasty. You had an inverted V, right? That's sick. Now it's back. Now it's spazzing out over here. This thing's spazzing out. Look at this. No movement. You better be good with this software to be able to do that. And I sure as hell am not. Not right now. You know what? Fuck it. I'm going to put a limit order. God, that's a big one. So I'm going to look to take a pullback. But now it ain't pulling back. See, look at that. God damn it. That finale didn't do nothing. Twice you would have got destroyed. Now it's not pulling back. Now it's not pulling back. But you can see you bounced off this zero line. That's bullish, man. That's why I wanted to go long. Exactly. Exactly. Theoretic versus freaking reality. Okay, I've been thinking about this. I'm going to erase this. Watch this. No, I'm going to do it. I'm going to put a buy limit order right there. If it stops me out, it stops me out. Okay. I'm in this trade with the buy limit order, and I got stopped out. See? This is what I'm fucking talking about. Yet, a minute ago, this took off. What the hell's the difference? What are we missing? All right. Keep going. What are we missing? All right. 55 still going up. Auto Trader would trigger you right here. Auto Trader would have triggered you and you can put a target right there. I wonder if it would work again. Stop loss would have been right there. That's what I'm saying. It's easy. Yeah, it would have triggered long because it's a higher low. But it has nothing to do with a MACD. Because this is a higher low, it would have triggered. So we are coming off a red swing high. No, it's a... I mean, I didn't turn mine on, but I'm assuming it would have triggered. Because I think it triggered before, but honestly, I don't know. Now, I don't know. But either way, that was a good move. I mean, you could have got out right there. I mean, look how high it went. I would have dumped it. I mean, we're going to get it, man. We are going to get it. It's just, we're going to have to figure it out. Again, this is going up. I want to be long, man. Forget this damn finale start. Look, bam, that would have nailed it. But that's just trading the bar. 50 ticks, 50 ticks. Bam, would have lost. Anybody on short, they're licking their wounds again. I want to go long. I want to go long. Okay. I want to go long. Watch it get beat. I went long because of this right here. It's basically a diamond. This is a diamond off the zero, first pullback. Diamond off the zero, first pullback. Same with this. Diamond off the zero, but they're what? Oh, bam. I'm going to get out. I'm too scared. 185. I should have left it alone, man. Damn it. That's okay. That worked. I should have left it. Or what I should do is I should have moved it to break even. That's what I'm going to start doing, man. Okay. If I'd have stayed in it, if it closes, it would have rocket shipped. Okay. I got to stop being gun shy. Damn. All right. It's okay. We won. It's all that matters, right? No, it's actually not all that matters. I don't care about winning. I want to win to where it's, I know what the hell. So right now, I took that first pullback after the diamond. It's another hard pullback. So I'm going to watch. Where are we at? We're up here. We're cruising, I mean. Okay, so we rolled over. Glad I got out. Okay, I'm watching. Right now we're basically making about an equal low. There's a dasher boom. Resistance. This is crazy. But I'll tell you what, it's wild, but it's a lot funner than just looking at this chart. 102. Yeah, it would have killed you, man. It would have sent you to the loony bin. Ridiculous, right? I know. And again, look at that. VIX broke down. Ticks are positive. Market's up big. Everything's up big. All right. So you would have sent you to the loony bin. So let's keep watching. Because we've got to figure it out. We will figure it out. We will figure it out, bro. We will. If you turn the auto trader on, it'll take you in short. If you turn the auto trader on, let's try it. Let's go short, enable the auto trader so I can go ahead and learn this lesson. But I should get you in short if it drops below the purple. Well, now we're dancing. So here's the deal. I'm turning it off. This is more of a sideways chop from me. Coming up to resistance. This candle's purple. Breaking through that. This is a sideways range. We're still going up. We're at a swing high. This is moving up. Everything's looking good. Already passed four $150,000 valuations. Right, y'all? What the fuck, dude? Right? Ta-da! Already passed four $150,000 valuations. Oh my God. That's so funny, dude. All right. That move right there would have passed us my 300K. Ta-da! Dasher boom. All right. So now, what do we do? Well, I don't know. No, I'm looking to go long. So y'all are going to see if you start to, I don't know if you're training Jason, but this is some psychotic stuff. All right. So swing high. This is where I got in a minute ago on the pullback, and it reversed. So there's a reason why that freaking reversed. Somebody tell me. I'm going to go back in time for a minute. Was this that eternal move? Yeah. Okay. Charles is up 1 million. As usual, right? Charles is the man, dude. But you know what? Rebecca's really good too, but boy, it's because she's got her software mastered. She knows everything about what's going on. I mean, she did create it, right? I mean, we're cruising. Swing high. We break through DB3. We could go to R3, which, again, don't know what the fuck that means, but resistance 3. Okay. We got to learn that profile. So right here, I'm not going to take this pullback yet. I'm going to try something because the pullback that I took over here, I got smacked, slapped around and called Sally Joe. All right. But we're up 185 right now. I'm just trading one $150,000 account. Let me stop to pause. XRP to the moon. I just had to say that. Now, we're going to get this, man. I'm telling you right now. Once we figure it out, it's game over. And we've got three powerful minds working together on the same stuff. I mean, no way we can't figure it out, right? Look at the direction. We're heading up. We bounced off R3. We are in this area, which could, you know, again, they say it's overbought, but no, it could trend. We're moving up. We have a bias of up. If we turn on our auto trader in a minute, which I'm going to do it, but we're probably going to get another finale star, which means I think already 3 finale stars have lost, right? Gamini probably get, I mean, right? I think it's all 3 have lost. Let me know, Jason. I think it was 3. Woo! Look at that pullback. How's that possible? To manage that, it's impossible. 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 Finale star 3rd time. Disappearing like a snake. So this could be chopsticks. So the thing is, the auto trader would probably get us in right now. This could be that V, which is very bullish, but nobody's taught us where to enter. 185. This could be that chopstick pattern, which is very bullish. But where's the entry? Don't know. Don't know. I really wish I did. Because if we knew the damn entries, we would slay this monster. I'll tell you what, time goes by a lot faster though watching this because it's super exciting. I know good, you know, exciting is you're not supposed to, but it's crazy watching this stuff. It's definitely high-powered energy, right? I mean, you look at the S&P up 105, Dow Jones up 700, chopsticks, baby. Where do we enter? Jason, where do we enter on chopsticks? John, Jeff, where do we enter? I don't know. See, I want to enter on the close.
Yeah, I think you got to figure out what the close is doing.
The problem is when I enter on the close, it goes up and then immediately comes back down. And then I'm like, panic.
Well, looks to me like this thing's kind of starting to consolidate up here a little bit.
I am looking for a diamond pattern, or if this confirms with this little chopstick.
It just flashed a little finale.
I know. Yep, it did, right? And disappeared. Oh, let's pull our auto trader. Yeah, right. And look at it go down. What? What human being can manage that? That's impossible. Okay. It's all right. That's all right. I'm going to channel my inner Terry for a minute. I'm going to channel my inner Terry for a minute. Jason, you got to let it dance, bro. You got to let it dance. This is where you just got to know where the market's going. If you know where the market's going, you can navigate it. Yeah, right. Where I see the market going is we're here in this overbought area, but it could stay up there for a long time. The MACD screaming up. We're over 90, right? We are at a swing high. I'm just going to keep riding it to the upside. That's what I'm going to do with the 5 million tick stop loss.
It hasn't broken the 55 yet.
That's true.
Which is one of your support levels.
Yeah. See, there we go. Chime in. I like this. This is us learning together, talking in real time. In real time, not these hypothetical charts afterwards that everything looks so easy and clean. It's a real time. Exactly, Jason. You've got to know 30 minutes before what to do. If you would have went long, you would have got toast. Now, if we turn on the auto trader, it's going to get us into trade. I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to turn on the auto trader, and I'm going to take the beating. Okay? I turned on the auto trader. It should trigger us when we... Well, now we're below the 55. I don't think I want the auto trader, but it doesn't really matter what I want because I'm in the trade. Well, shit. I'm in this trade via auto trader, and my target is 55. I know I have a bigger stop loss, but my target is 55. Look at that. Oh, go up. 55 is my target. Bam! 260. Yeah! 260, baby. And I know what I did. That's what's crazy. Why is this turning orange? Oh, why? Why is it orange and not blue? What's going on? Why is it orange? Okay. Why is it orange and not blue? Why? Why? Y'all, is y'all's orange? Why are you orange? Anybody? Y'all kind of, why are we orange? Damn it, why are we orange?
Well, it looks like when it's trending, the orange bars that pop up when it's trending up have an up arrow. There's an up arrow down below it too.
That's a breakout. That's a breakout of a resistance area. That's what that is. So I'm trying to figure out, though, because all these other higher lows are blue. What's the significance? Yeah, I see what you're saying, though. These candles right here are breakouts.
That's the new stuff you got from her.
What?
Those bars were in there before. That's on the stuff you just loaded, probably, from her level 5 or whatever.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, this is the new one that she had yesterday. The one I sent y'all.
Right, but those weren't in on the other ones. So
that's what I'm saying. Oh, yeah, I know. I know. That's why I'm trying to figure it out together. If y'all can figure out what that is. Like, I don't know why it's orange.
So the orange one's in the middle of the green there. Aren't those the dasher booms?
The breakouts. Whenever it breaks a resistance, it turns orange.
Okay.
That's a trade signal in itself. You know, that might be one.
Okay.
That's a trade signal in itself because it's breaking a resistance. And when it breaks, I'm assuming we can just buy stop it and let it go. That's actually something I might try. Because think about it. If we would have buy stopped it, that would have been a money shot. But my question is, you see what I'm saying? Like, I might do that because that is a breakout trade. Maybe I'm like, fuck. I mean, this pullback trade is pretty scary, even though I'm up 260. But so when we approach a resistance and it closes, it's going to turn orange. But why is this candle orange?
The only thing that's common to that is the 55, but
right? I know, right? Yeah. So we might get a diamond. And yes, Jason, you're right. The auto trader ignores the MACD. I'm telling you, it ignores the MACD. It's only if it's a higher low. Not this. This could have went down here and it still would have triggered it. And again, it would have got in and it could have targeted out there. I just targeted the 55 because when you're below the 55, she says your target is the 55. All right. So let's see if this turns blue. It stayed orange. Why? Finale, we got a diamond. I want to take a pullback. See, this is where I want to take a pullback. We got to confirm. Well, it bounced. Once it crosses, we got the diamond, and it could go to the moon. So this is where Pat's doing a buy stop order. He's doing a buy stop order above it instead of the pullback. So I think I'm going to do that. So I'm going to do a buy stop order. Instead of trading the pullback, I'm going to take this buy stop order if it confirms to the upside. And I'm going to have a very tight stop loss. And I'm going to play it the same way Pat was playing it. As soon as it shows AAH a weakness, I get out. But honestly, I'm not sure on these pullbacks when is the best time to take them. I would have taken this pullback right here again and lost. So what I'm doing is we got a higher low. This could curve down though and get a lower high, but that's okay. Because with this buy stop order, I'm going to get in if the candle closes. Honestly, I feel more comfortable with that. Now it's going back down, so I'm going to cancel the order. See, if I would have tried to play that pullback, I was dead. This is an inverted V.
Oh.
Andy! What up?
What is this alien shit you guys are playing with?
You haven't been here, brother. We're trading some prop firm money. You haven't been here. Alien shit. Hey, don't worry. It's alien shit to us, too.
Good luck, man. It's crazy.
Dude, it's fun to watch, though. Sit back, get some popcorn, and watch this son of a bitch, because it's crazy.
Yeah, I am. Before my day starts, I thought I would join in today. I have a moment.
Beautiful, brother. Beautiful. All right. So now what are we going to do? Well, the answer is not sure. We got a lower high. So you can see here, we're pausing at here. If we can come out of that zone, which don't know that, go back and look at the ES. ES is up 102. What a monster. That ain't going to do us any good right now. But I'm up 260. Whoopity-doo. I say whoopity-doo because I really, I'm not comfortable here. Okay. So let's take a high overview of what's going on here. Okay. So let's just look at price action, what we know best. I want to trade to the downside, but come on, who can navigate that? I don't even fucking know how to do that. Oh, shit. I'm still figuring this shit out. This alien. That was funny. He said this alien shit, dude. That was funny. All right. So here's the deal. Obviously, we're going short. This is where I want to take a pullback. But watch that son of a bitch reverse. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do the Pat special. Sell stop. And I'm just going to have a tight stop loss. Sell stop. That's what I'm going to do. I'm not comfortable with pullbacks right now because nobody's really helping us. So I got a sell stop order that if this reverses hard, because again, nobody's really helping us on these pullbacks. And since we don't know the rules, I'm going down. If it closes, we're definitely going down. We got a lower high. Again, if I was comfortable, I would have sold right there with the stop right there. But every time I've done that, this has reversed and went up. And look, it would have got me again. Cancel the order. Thank God I didn't do it. Yep. See, Pat's getting killed today too. He's getting killed today too. All right. So we got this candle, right? I'm going to try to play this as a breakout with a buy stop order up here. Since we got this candle, I will be playing it as a breakout. Okay? It's the first time we tried this, but we're at a dash or boom or a resistance. Now, if this rolls over, it'll be a diamond to the downside. But if it happens to look, fuck that. Woo! Okay, no harm, no foul. So we're getting low. See, here it is. We're getting these lower highs, man. Like this is what is expected. But how do you trade this? Jason, if we would have turned on the auto trader, it would have got us in. There, we could have got out there. Got in here, got out of here. It's like I see it working right before my eyes, but I'm just not comfortable with it. So we're about to do some option stuff. We're up 260. We got a long day. Long day. So what I want to do is I want to take one final look at the market. It's rolling over. We're breaking this. We're coming out of the zone. Might go down here to R2. Which means I would expect. Me neither. I would expect this to come up and roll over. There's just something that we just have to figure out. And the good news is we trade throughout the whole day and we do it. Like I'm expecting this to go up and roll over. And again, maybe we start taking these breakouts, I don't know. Either way, I want to get in short, but if I put a short with the stop, watch this go up. Watch it go up. My target would probably be like right here. Look, boom, I would have got stopped out. Now, if you turn on the auto trader, it's going to go short. Right there, you probably would have got triggered short. So how about this? Let's go auto trader. So I'm going to try it. Auto trader. I got the auto trader short. But now we're way above 55. Disable it. Disable it. It's gone too far. It's gone too far. Man, I want to get... Okay. Oh, break out. Break out. Break out. I'm out. 285. And it's still going up. Okay. Damn it. 285. Breakout. I should have got out now. Okay. Okay. I can handle that. You know what we need to do, y'all? And I just now noticed it. We know these ahead of time. We could have set a buy stop order above that already. So if it did break out, it got it in. All right, so I'm up 285. I'm going to go here to trade, and I'm going to lock it. I'm going to lock it so it doesn't take a trade. Up 285, which normally I'd be super happy, but I'm not yet. But we're going to figure it out, but we got to work together. All right, so let's do this. Everybody on YouTube, hopefully y'all got an excitement. Okay, if you want to join us in the mastermind, learn how to do all this stuff, we're working together right now to pass these exams. Y'all know what to do. Check down below.